So here we go, 67, Nathan Black, heading up to the outside of the front row. Behind him, 175, Sam Prescott. On the inside, we've got 83W, Steve Cooper. 78V, Mark Johnson. 6V, Dion Mooney. 84S, Hayden Barker. Then 58V, Mazan Lees on the inside. 444S. That's Jade Symes. 992, Taylor Lamp, winner of the first heat. 39. That very distinctive tank of Graham Munn. So away they go. Mark Johnson trying to squeeze his way to the front. So's Dion Mooney. Plenty of pushing and shoving as they go through turn 2. Oh, and the 83 car and 78 gets spun to the infield. Mooney, Lees and Blair Reeves Smith all spin as well. So they've got some chasing to do. So it's 84, Hayden Barker leads from 175, Sam Prescott, and 992, Taylor Lamp. He'll be looking to add to his points haul. He'd want to get that choice of starting position for the Dash for Cash. So Sam Prescott leading. 992 Taylor Lamp, then 84 Hayden Barker, 67 Nathan Black, he's in the mix. So's 444 Jade Symes. Oh, as the 84 car gets spun around by 67 and 444 piles into it. So both of those cars get slowed a wee bit. Mark Johnson now starting to make some progress, but he's about half a lap back from the leader, 175 Sam Prescott. And Prescott's got 992 Taylor Lamp right in his mirrors. So it's Prescott, Lamp. Lamp makes a run down the inside, but he can't make the pass. Prescott holds him off. 67V Nathan Black, he's not too far away either. As they come up on the 83W car of Steve Cooper. Lamp's got to the lead this time, but he gets slowed a bit by Cooper on. Prescott spins. So that hands Lamp a very handy lead over 67 Nathan Black. Now 84 Hayden Barker starting to make a run. So's 13 Lucas Hay. Dion Mooney starting to come through as well, but he's a long way from the lead. On now 67 Nathan Black spins. And he's gone and parked up on the infield. Obviously something's not right with that car. So 992 Taylor Lamp, he's got a very handy advantage at the moment. He leads from 84 Hayden Barker, 13P Lucas Hayes, 78 Mark Johnson, 99 Cody Lockett, 444 Jade Symes. They're your top six. But realistically it's Lamp then the rest. Pretty much half a lap the difference. Oh, Johnson gets turned around again, so he's not having any luck tonight. His Lamp just ticks off another lap. Those three cars that spun on the first lap all very deep in the field. It's Taylor Lamp comes up on one of them, 958. Mazan Lees. So it looks like it's going to be the white flag this time around for Taylor Lamp, 992P. One to go for him. And quite a bit further for the rest of the field. Here's 84 Hayden Barker in second place. Then 99 Cody Lockett, 13 Lucas Hay having a really good battle. But Taylor Lamp can crank up the music and just coast home, and he does. Takes the checkered flag. That's 2 wins on the night for him. So he'll be carrying maximum points into Heat 3.